How to create a digital planner in Canva for free with hyperlinks. Hi guys, today we're going to teach you how you can create your own digital planner in Canva for free. Now before we begin, what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content such as presentations, social media graphics, posters, logos, business cards, and more. Canva offers a user-friendly interface and provides a wide variety of pre-designed templates and layouts, as well as a library of over 75 million stock photos, illustrations, and graphics. Now to begin with, what we're first going to do is we're going to either sign up or log in. Now after signing up or logging in, we would be redirected to this page over here. Now what we're going to do is we're either going to click on the custom size and we could enter the different width and height of the page that we want to have. You could also change this from pixel to inches, millimeters, or centimeters. If you don't have any width or height in mind, you can simply click over here on the search bar and then we can search in planner. Now over here, we can see that we have two options. These two options has different sizes, and the first one has an 8.5 by 11 inches, and the second one is a 21 by 30 centimeter. Now we're going to click on the first one for now. And now over here, we are redirected to the templates page. In this page, we would be able to find different templates that are specifically designed to be planners. You could use any of these templates and then you can customize and edit each and every components into the planner that you want. Now it is completely up to you if you want to use any of this, but for me right now I'm going to choose to create my own template. So I'm going to click this create a blank planner, and now we are redirected over here where we can create our own planner. Now as you can see over here on the left side, we can still see the templates over here. And that is if you ever decide to choose a template instead of creating your own, you can simply click over here instead of going back to the template page from earlier. Now what we're first going to do is I'm going to change our background. I could choose from the solid colors over here on the bottom, or we could add our own brand colors in the brand kit, or choose from here to change our color. I want our color to be a light color, like for example, a lavender color, just like that. And then I'm going to click on elements. Other elements, you could add lines, shapes, different graphics, stickers. You could even add photos or videos if you want. There's also tables over here or charts. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a shape into our template, just like this. Going to make it big, and then I'm going to drag it all the way to the bottom right. Just like that. I'm going to make it centered, and now we have a simple border for our digital planner. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go over to the text. And over in the text, we can choose any font that we want, and then we could drag it into our template over here. As you can see, there are crowns on some of these fonts, and that means that these are for the pro versions. Now if you want to access all of this and different others, you could simply upgrade your Canva to Pro. But right now, we're going to do everything for free. So we're simply going to look for a font that we like. I'm going to choose this font over here. I'm simply going to click and drag, and then the font would appear over here. I'm going to select this word, and then I'm going to change it to digital planner. I could delete the specific section of the font. Now after doing that, I'm going to drag it over here. I'm going to resize it a bit, and I'm going to make it align to our page, just like that. And just like that, we have our title for our digital planner. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the different months. I'm going to use a subheading, just like that, and then I'm going to type in the different months, like January, and I'm going to reposition it over here. Now I'm going to do the same for the rest. I'm simply going to hold Alt and then I'm going to drag it to its position. Select that. We're going to change the name in a bit, but we're first going to make sure that they are aligned. And then I'm going to do the Alt hold again, then drag it down, just like that, until we have 12 months. I'm going to select all of these so that we can simply copy and paste them, just like that. And I'm going to drag it back below here. Now we're going to change the names from January to February, March, April, and lastly December. Now as you can see, our text isn't fitting as much as I wanted to, so we're going to select all of them once again, just like this. By holding shift, I can select each and every one of them. Then I can simply change the font size over here, just like that. Then I'm going to center it just like that. And now we can also change the font of each of this different text, but I won't do that for now. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a page. Under this page, we could add another font that we used earlier. Then we would put in the word January, just like that. And delete that. Then I'm going to put it in the center, just like that. Now this section, this page would be solely for the January date. And we could simply search in from the elements, a grid, calendar grid, just like that. And then we could see all, then we could choose any of this option. I'm going to choose this option over here. Could simply make it bigger. I'm going to make the color into black, just like that. And just like that. And since we have only 5 boxes over here, this doesn't include our weekend schedule. So we're going to settle for the weekday schedule for now. You could also label each box from Monday. Then we could copy this, just like that. And we could turn this to Tuesday, Friday. And just like that, we have this individual box for the specific dates. And to connect this two pages together, I'm going to click on January. And as you can see, this is our first page, the second page, which is specifically for January. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click this, and then we could click on link. Over here, we can see that we can link either a link or a search, or we could choose a page in our document. I'm going to choose the second page and click on done because that is our January page. Now, when someone clicks on this, they would be redirected over here on our January page. Now, we can do that on each individual month, just like we did over here on the January, where we click on the link. You could do that by creating more pages for each individual month, and then you would be able to link them all together. Now, we can add more designs, such as by searching the elements, we could add these, and then we will be able to choose from the graphics over here. We could add it into our canvas over here. For example, for January, it's bee season for you. Or for February, you could go snorkeling, just like that. For March, we maybe want to go fishing. Going to click on graphics. Then we could choose a specific element that we want. For example, this one. Select that, which would help you identify what you would want to do for that specific month. And you could simply explore and create your own. You could do whatever you want. Everything is up to your creativity, and that's it. That's how you can create a simple digital planner and be able to hyperlink your different months as well. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.